Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my heavenly babies. My name is Angel, and I am back today to open some happy mail. And look who's joining us. This is our little mascot for a few weeks. Little baby Seena is here visiting her auntie. She is one of those traveling babies. That's through Monica over at Southern Reborn's Nursery, Marissa over at Dolly Lane 19, and Seena over at Seena's Dolls. This one here is Monica's little girl, and her name is Seena. We call her Baby Seena. Well, her mommy calls her Baby Seena. And yeah, she's been here for a few days. This is day 4, and we're having a lot of fun. I did open up a video today of some of the things we've done, and we will continue to record. And she got all excited because she hasn't gotten to be in a video yet. Because when I got her, we did the unboxing, and then I haven't done any videos except for that pickle video I did. And, so selling of that pickle, Holly did sell. Remember, the boy pickle is still available. Let me throw up a picture again of him. He is still available right now at $200, only until the 25th. And then his price is going up to $300, you guys. These are budget prices for the holidays. So get your hands on him. He's phenomenal. He's weighted over 9 pounds, fully painted, double sealed, painted hair. He comes with a box opening. So yeah, definitely grab him right now while he's at that price. I know somebody did ask if he's still available. He is. So he's the only one available right now for the babies. I will have another Behringer coming up, an open eye Behringer. I know there was a couple of people that wanted one. So be looking out for that. Hopefully I'll have that up to like tomorrow or the next day, hopefully. But anyways, yeah, Seena hasn't gotten to be in a video yet. And she said, I want to be in a video. And I was going to put her in the pickle one yesterday, and I completely forgot. Just got busy. But here she is. She's wearing her little soccer outfit. We already did a filming of her eating her lunch with me. She had a keto tuna sandwich and some keto yogurt with me. This little girl is keto here. And I know Grandma, my mom, was asking, is she getting to lose weight? Saying, no, I'm making sure she's getting enough fat. She's in the maintenance where you stay the same weight keto. That's what she's in right now. Auntie's in weight loss mode. She's in the mode of maintaining. And she's doing... she's doing good, but no, she likes the keto stuff. But anyways, we want to open this package because it is from Auntie Seena over at Seena's Dolls. And she got excited when I said that because Auntie Seena's her favorite. And she said, but Auntie Angel, I love you too. You are my favorite too. So she's got 2 favorites. Excuse me. But anyways, we're going to open this, and little baby Seena's going to help me and see what Seena sent for us for Christmas. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And thank God I didn't open this before finding out who it was from, because I got this package. I have a few packages coming, and I didn't know, and I saw it was from Amazon, and I didn't know, and I thought, what's this? What, because I have things that I've ordered in the last, few days or whatever. So that's what I thought it was. And thank God I didn't open it without doing a video, because right after that, I don't know, about an hour later, Seena messaged me before I got into it and said, I saw your package got delivered. And I said, oh, that's from you? Okay, thank God I didn't open it. So yes, so we know it's from Seena, and let's see what it is. I do have the labels covered and all that, but I had to cut it. So here we go. We'll pull it out. Oh, we got a pretty box here. Look at that. You want to hold on to that? Let's see. We do have some things in here. This would have told me. A gift for you. Merry Christmas from Seena from Hasina Morrison. And then just the receipts and all that. You guys don't need to see that. That's the addresses and all that. But anyways, look at this beautiful box. It says Merry Christmas on it. It's our beautiful red box. It's got a Santa, a tree. It's got reindeer. It's got a little penguin. It's got a polar bear. It's got presents. How adorable. That's so pretty, Seena. Now, let me open this, but you step back because I got to use the scissors. Yeah, I don't want you to get cut. And then you can help me, okay, honey? Yeah, say, you're having fun over here, aren't you? Yeah, say, we're going to go see Grandma. We're going to get Minnie tomorrow. Today is Sunday. We're going to get Minnie, so she'll finally get to be around Minnie, my dog, my 4-pound Morkie. She went and spent some time with Grandma just while I was getting a few things done around here, and I need a little break. She's a little diva. I'm not kidding you guys, little diva, and needs a lot of attention and all that, so I just need a little break, and she loves Grandma and Grandpa. So baby Seena here is going to meet Grandma and Grandpa for the first time and see Minnie. And then, of course, Christmas time, Christmas Day, we're going over to my brother's, so she'll get to meet all of her uncles and cousins, and Grandma and Grandpa, again, she'll get to see, and we'll get her all dressed up pretty for Christmas. She'll be spending that with me and my family, with Uncle Phelan, too. All right, let's open this up. Yeah, so you can help. Ooh, look at this, you guys. First off, let's turn it this way so it's the right way. Aw, there is. It says Merry Christmas. And there's a little envelope. Look at how cute this is, you guys. This is a card. And this little tiny envelope. Look at how cute that is. Aw, adorable. And it's got the little punch out of a snowman and a little bunny. And you can write a little note and then folds in half, I guess. And maybe those pop up. I'm not sure. Or maybe they fold with it. I'm not sure how that even works. I'll have to see. But boy, is that ever cute. I like that. All right, let's see here. We have got some beautiful, look at these socks. They're gingerbread socks. Look at Seena. Look at the gingerbreads on them. Oh, look at you guys. They're red with white snowflakes and gingerbread men on it on both sides. And they say, ho, 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 Santa Claus is coming. Yes, he is. It's getting to that time of the year. He's on his way. You better watch out. You better not pout. You better not cry. Why? Because Santa Claus is coming to town. And he is watching everything you do. I love those, Seena. Thank you so much. I love fancy socks. I do. I love colored socks. I love socks like that just have some kind of print on it stuff. A lot of times, just like in the evenings, I'll just wear my white, just little ankle socks. But I love colored socks. It is my favorite. So thank you. And I love that they're Christmas ones. And then look at this, Seena. We got a little Santa pin. Look at that. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that cute? It's a little Santa pin. I'm actually going to stick it up on top up here. I've got a little penguin. I'm going to show you this. Up above here. See if you can see that. Kind of in the way. I've got some of my dolls and stuff up there. But look at, I've got a little penguin. Isn't this cute? I got that in a baby I ordered. So we're going to put Santa right up with the penguin. Look at that, and it's next to the seal. Isn't that cute? Let's see if we can draw in so you guys can see that. See, we'll put Santa right up there. Isn't that cute? Adorable. Adorable. Yeah. All right. And then we've got a little box here. It says, Delicate Aroma. I couldn't talk. Enjoy the good times. I think it's a candle. Yes, it's a candle. Ooh, how pretty. It says Merry Christmas on it. And let's see the scent. Oh my gosh, does that smell good? I don't even know what scent that is, but wow. It says natural soy wax and pure essential oil scented candles. I love the essential oils. Do you want to smell it? Yeah, doesn't that smell pretty? Yeah, we're going to put that next to our Christmas tree around that area. And then we've got another little clip here. Oh, I think that was a pin and this is a hair clip. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Hey, Seena, you want this in your hair? It'll match with your outfit. Let's put this in Seena's hair. Oh, look at Seena. Look at how pretty. She'll wear that for a little bit, but, you know, that is Auntie's. Yes, that was Auntie's present, but maybe she sent that so you could have it. Oh, look at you guys, a scrunchie. Oh, gosh, she's going to want this too. Look at, maybe while you're here, we'll put this on you. It's a scrunchie done in like a burgundy color with antlers. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, Seena, what a cute little gift box here. Oh, there's another one. Another one. This is a Santa one, a Santa clip. Seena, you want to put that one in your hair too? See, we'll put them in her hair just so we can show them off. But yeah, maybe you'll get to wear one of these for Christmas. We'll get you dressed up and you'll wear these for Christmas. Let's see. Wait, let's put it over here so we can see it better. There, Baby Seena's got them on. Look at her. She gets to be the one to be the model. She models everything here. But look at this pretty gold, like what would you call it? I don't know, kind of like tinsel or whatever. Just so pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. What a pretty boxing. Then we've got one more thing here. And it is a beautiful Christmas mug. Look at this. Oh, and I love my tea for, you know, just during the holidays, but all the time. I love tea. I'm a tea drinker because my grandmother was born in England. So, of course, when she came to the United States, when she was 17, and, you know, lived here in the United States, she always drank her tea. So then my mom did growing up, and then I'm a tea drinker. I do like my coffee too, but tea and coffee and even cold drinks can go in here. Isn't that nice, you guys? Look at that. It says Merry Christmas. It's got a reindeer and a stocking and little bulbs hanging and little snowflakes. Seena, this is such a wonderful, nice gift. Thank you so, so much. Isn't that nice? Hey, let's set all this by you. Yeah. Let's put all this by you and we'll get a picture at the end. Let's stick this on one of your hair pieces here. We'll just give you all of them right now so that you can show them off. Yeah, look at her, you guys. She's the little, she's the little, like I said, little model, and she's modeling everything, but we'll put all of this pretty stuff like this in the card. You can hold that. And this beautiful box. Yes, see, this is a pretty, pretty box. We'll put this in here and this in here so we don't lose nothing. And we'll get down that little Santa quick so that Santa can sit next to it so you can see everything that was. Oh, you know what? Let's just throw this in your hair too because it's also a hair piece. And she gets to model all of them. Yeah, wasn't this fun? That was a fun box opening. Look at you, silly girl. Look at, she's got everything. Let's draw in so we can see her really good. We got the Christmas tree back there. It is what is it? Fiber optic, but it's hard to see. Let me see if I shut the light off. If you guys can see that it is changing color back there. Let me shut another light off. Now you can see it's lit up. You can see it's changing colors back there. Yeah, so, but anyways, there is Seena. And she got to be our model and model all this nice stuff that we got. Seena, thank you so much. What a beautiful, beautiful box opening. Happy mail. Thank you so much. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. You know, like we always says, we don't need anything, but it just is so sweet when somebody sends out some happy mail. And this is the second thing I got this year. I got something from D and then from Seena, and I thank you both so very much. I wanted to let you guys know I don't have my what's it called, my P.O. box anymore. I did write that in my box. I don't have it anymore, so I hope somebody that had sent me things in the past for the holidays didn't send anything. That's been closed down for like 4 or 5 months, and I just forgot to tell you guys. So if you're wanting to send me anything, you don't have to, please. You don't have to, but you can email me. If you have sent something, let me know and just email me because, yeah, that box has been closed for about 4 months. I'm going to open a new one and I'll let you guys know, but I did write in the box that is closed down. So, yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. I had to close it down. It was during the time that I wasn't painting, couldn't work. I had, you know, that vertigo going on and I just couldn't work. So I couldn't keep it open. You know, I couldn't afford it at that time. So I closed it down. Plus it wasn't working anyways. And that's really what it was used for, to have an address when I ship out babies and stuff. And if people want to send me things. But anyways, if you're interested in that, just let me know. Just send me an email. My email will be on the screen right here and we'll talk. You don't have to send me nothing, you guys. Don't worry about it. I don't need anything. But Seena, thank you, thank you, thank you. What a beautiful presentation. What a beautiful little box opening. And was happy that Baby Seena was here because she's your favorite and Seena is her favorite. And she got to model all these cute little things. So thank you so much. What an adorable box opening. What an adorable happy mail. I love you guys very much. Seena loves everyone too. She's going to blow you guys a kiss. Mwah! She loves everybody. She says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone, especially to her mommy. And she's going to have lots of fun here. Lots more to come of things you guys are going to get to see. We're going to take her out in the store. She's going to play in the snow. She's going to go see Grandma and Grandpa for Christmas. She's going to buy presents for her mommy for her birthday and for Christmas. We're going to be having lots of fun still. So there's lots to come. But all right, you guys, I love you very much. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And mwah, there's a kiss for you, Seena. Thank you, sis, for everything. I love you. God bless.